It's 2012 here. Got a quick unboxing for you guys. I got a new screen for my iPod Touch 2nd gen. The screen broke, so I decided to get a new one. Ordered it about Sunday. Today's Saturday, so really quick shipping. I got it off Amazon, I believe. Yeah, I ordered it off Amazon. So this is my iPod Touch 2nd gen, and so I had the screen was all broken and it was all messed up and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this for you guys. Let's see what we got. So packaging's good. So it's called Much Buy. Never heard of it, but let's go ahead and see what's inside there. Nice packaging. There's so yeah, here's the new screen, which I'm kind of pissed now because I didn't realize it doesn't come with the center button, and I do not have a center button, so I have no idea how that's gonna work. So I might have to order a center button, I don't know, because I'm pretty sure I threw the screen out. But nice packaging. Hopefully I'll have my 2nd gen and some new videos. So that's about it. Hopefully I'll have this up by today, and later today I should have had to put it on. Not sure if I'll even put that up, but that's about it. Thank you for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.